Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's training, I'm going to show you how to massively grow your YouTube channel using YouTube Shorts. Now, you can see in the graph above that YouTube Shorts is bringing me a ton of traffic to my YouTube channel. Now, inside of this video, I'm going to show you proof that YouTube Shorts are growing my channel, okay? Not only that, is I'm going to show you how to massively grow with YouTube Shorts for your channel, okay? Now, I'm also going to show you how you can access YouTube Shorts even though it's in beta. So right now, it's not released to everyone, but I'm going to show you how you can still tap into this amazing traffic source on YouTube, okay? And also, I'm going to show you how YouTube Shorts can increase your views, your ad revenue, if you're monetized, your subscribers, and reach, okay? And I'm going to show you how to actually upload them. I'm going to show you how they work. Everything that you need to know about YouTube Shorts is going to be taught inside of this video. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can make $20,000 a month using YouTube Shorts. So I'm excited to teach you guys this video. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I make videos on affiliate marketing, how you can make money online. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. I worked a 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer, guys. I hated it. I needed to look for something else. So, I started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019. I quit in March of 2020, right before the pandemic. And that's the main goal of my channel, is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So first of all, what is YouTube Shorts, right? What the heck is it? So it's basically vertical videos, 60 seconds or less. Okay. So anything under 60 seconds, it's classified as a YouTube short. Okay. Now, people are going to be finding your shorts basically in something called the shorts shelf. Okay, it's kind of like the For You page on TikTok or the discovery or browse on Instagram. Now the TikTok shelf, the YouTube shelf is basically where you can find all these YouTube shorts. Now again, the YouTube short is still in beta, so right now a lot of your shorts can be found in browse features and search, in suggested videos. So what's cool about this is you can get the virality of TikTok, but you can also use the leverage the power of YouTube SEO, right? YouTube search, browse, suggested feature. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do this, okay, inside of this video. Now, basically, what is YouTube Short? It's just YouTube's version of TikTok and Instagram Reels, right? They're trying to compete with Instagram and TikTok. So this is their version. Now, why would you want to upload a YouTube Short? Well, if they're trying to compete with that, they're going to give you a ton of free traffic. I'm going to prove to you guys in just a second. Okay. Now I want to show you proof before I get into the video here. This is inside my analytics. Okay. Now this is the past 90 days and you can see, I was okay. I was getting a decent amount of views right here. Okay. Now I started using this method. I started using YouTube Shorts not that long ago, and you can see my views have started skyrocketing. Now you can see right here, my views have massively been just getting bigger. And not only that, is my subscribers are also growing as well. I've never been able to get, as you can see, 100 subscribers yesterday, 133, 109. I'm literally getting 100 subscribers a day using this method, right? Whereas before I was getting like 20 a day, 10 a day, 13 a day, right? So this method is literally blowing up my channel. And not only that, guys, it's blowing up my YouTube ad revenue. As you can see, I had my biggest YouTube ad revenue yesterday at $74 a day, which is just insane, okay? Now, let me just show you proof that this is working insanely well, okay? And I haven't even posted as many shorts as I should have. So you'll know it's a short because I have this hashtag short, and I'm going to show you how to do this when I actually show you how to upload it. But let me just show you proof that this is working. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to show you proof real quick. Before we dive into the video, I just want to show you that this is working. Now, you can see here, it's going like a regular YouTube video, and then boom, it spikes, right? So right here, YouTube realizes it's a short, and it starts promoting it on the short platform. So you can see here, now, you can see, let me see if I can pull up my marker here. Right there, it knows it's a YouTube short, right? So at first it doesn't know, and then all of a sudden it just starts spiking, okay? Let me show you one more example here of a YouTube short. Now, you'll notice that all these videos are very quick, right? They're only 12 seconds, they're only 60 seconds, stuff like that, okay? So basically, you can see here again, right? It's starting to spike right here. So it doesn't happen right away. It might take a day, it might take 2 days. For me, it looks like it's happening after a day. It knows it's a short, and all the traffic that I'm getting is from YouTube Short, okay? As you can see right over here, all the traffic is coming from YouTube Short. Now the cool thing is you can still get, you know, YouTube search, you can still get browse features, you can still get suggested videos, right? You can still get all this stuff. So it's like the virality of TikTok, but with the power of YouTube. I've never seen anything like this, guys. I'm really, really excited, okay? Now you can see here, I have a description and everything. I'm going to go into this in just a second, okay? But let's talk about the best way to make a YouTube short. How do we actually make them? How do we create the content? So basically what you can do is literally just use your phone. You do have to create it. It's got to be vertical, okay? So when you're filming it, it has to look like this, okay? Vertical, because a YouTube short is going to be similar to TikTok, so it has to be vertical. Now, what I recommend to make your YouTube short is basically go to TikTok and make it. So I don't know if you've been following my journey on TikTok, but you know, TikTok has literally blown up my business, okay? Now what I would do if I were you is I would create the content on TikTok. So I actually go to TikTok, learn it. I have a ton of trainings on it. If you want more training on TikTok, I have a ton of trainings on that. So just let me know if you guys are interested. But if you don't know how to, what I would do is create the content on TikTok. You start building your brand here, but then you repurpose this content. You download these videos and put these videos on YouTube Shorts. That's what I would do, and that's how you would be the most efficient with your time, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to do this in just a second, but if you don't want to do that, then of course you can just create it using your phone. You just go to the camera and literally just shoot a video of yourself. Just make sure it's less than 60 seconds or it'll be classified as a regular video and not a short, okay? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Now, the next part of this is how do we actually upload the YouTube short, okay? So how do we make sure that YouTube knows it's a YouTube short? As I mentioned, the YouTube shorts are in beta version, so we don't have access to the actual program yet. I don't have access to it, but you can see that I'm still getting YouTube short traffic right here, okay? You can see that, but I don't have access to it, right? If I go over here to create, I can't create a short. Eventually, I'll have access, right? But I don't have access right now, but I can still access the program, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? Now I'm going to show you an example of my TikTok content, how I can download this and how I can put it inside of YouTube Shorts, okay? So I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to pick a video. I actually already have one. So basically, let's just say I want to copy this one here. All you got to do here is share copy link. And what you do here, and I'm actually going to use a different video here that, here's another video. So what I'm going to do is actually go to copy link here. And basically, we're going to go to a website called snaptic.app. Okay, so you can see it right here, snaptic.app. And basically what this does is it downloads the video. Now, the cool thing is this downloads the video, but it takes out the TikTok watermark. Okay, so this downloads the video without the watermark. You just go to download server here. And I'm literally going to show you how to upload a YouTube short. Okay, and how to actually make sure and guarantee that it's going to show up on the YouTube short traffic. Okay, so we're going to download that. It should be downloading done. So I'm just going to go to YouTube and simply upload it like a regular video. So I'm going to go to upload right here, upload video, and we're just going to simply upload it like a regular video. Guys, I'll show you how to do this in live. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. There's the video here. It's going to go ahead and download. Now, what I like to do is add a title, description. Make sure you do the normal things that you would usually do with a YouTube video, especially if a lot of these shorts are still being found in YouTube search. Now, if you didn't want to do that, all you would do is just, this is like the only requirement that you need to do. I would add a short, hashtag shorts in the title and the first line of the description, okay? And then what's this video about? So it's about being in the rat race, so I'm just going to put something like that. So how to get out of the rat race and start your online business, okay? All right, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this because that's a whole nother video, how I do YouTube SEO. But you can see this is kind of what I would do now. Of course, I would still go through and basically I have a playlist for this, so you can see YouTube Shorts. And I can go through and add my tags, titles, all this stuff. Now, I'm not going to do that right now for you guys because that's another video about YouTube SEO. But this is all you have to do to basically guarantee that your video is a short. I'm literally going to post this right now, guys. That way you can see. So another thing I get all the time, and I had one of my students message me, and he was like, well, I got a strike, right? I got a strike. I got a copyright strike. That's totally okay, guys. The only reason is because TikTok allows you to add music. and YouTube doesn't. Okay, now this is totally legal. Your video just won't be monetized. Okay, that's the only thing. But you're okay, because you're gonna get a strike. You're gonna get a copyright strike, but that's not a bad thing. Okay, it just means you can't monetize the actual video. So I didn't want you to be nervous about that. So you can see I can't monetize this if you are monetized. Okay, don't worry about that if you're not. And then go to, you can put your video element. I'm just gonna go ahead and post this right here and go to public and publish this. Okay, done. My YouTube video, my YouTube short is done and it's ready to go. Now, again, this is not gonna, right away, you're not gonna start getting traffic like right away. Okay, so if I go to my videos here, some of these videos are, they don't even know it's a short yet. Like for example, the ones I showed you in the beginning of the video, these all know, YouTube knows that these are shorts, right? YouTube already knows that. But for example, this one, for some reason, YouTube doesn't know it's a short. Actually, it's starting to pick up right here. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, you can see that YouTube knows that it's a short now, but at first I actually just checked this right before I made the video and it didn't know. So it looks like it's just starting to pick up here. You can see here, yeah, it's barely just starting to pick up right now. Okay, so not sure. This one's taking 2 days to do it. Typically what I've seen is the first day. Okay, so anyways, guys, that's how you upload a YouTube short. Okay, now how can you make $20,000 per month with my Done With You affiliate marketing program, and how can you use YouTube Shorts to actually do this? So guys, I want to talk about this Done With You affiliate program, and this is my system right here. It's a little complicated. Let me kind of explain it real quick. Basically, you have your email opt-in, and this is how I monetize my YouTube channel, my TikTok, my YouTube Shorts. Now that you're getting a ton of traffic, why don't you use that and not just get a ton of views, but why don't you monetize it in a system that's going to pay you passively, right? So what I have for you guys is how you can copy my $20,000 per month affiliate business today, right? And we can add YouTube Shorts in here, right? So YouTube Shorts is just another way to get traffic, right? Just you're going to get more traffic. But you can literally tap into this exact system here, right? You send someone to an email page, I sell them on a on-demand webinar, and then you get 50% of $9.97, right? So you're gonna get 50% of this, okay? So if you wanna learn how you can tap into my $20,000 per month affiliate business using YouTube Shorts or a YouTube channel in general, how you can access my emails, how you can access my YouTube and Facebook ads, literally my whole business. I have a link down below in the YouTube description. It's gonna talk about Freedom Breakthrough and how you can access this system as well. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value, and I'm gonna be coming out with more content on YouTube Shorts on how it works, guys. This is literally something I haven't seen in my entire life besides when TikTok came out. But I mean, there's nothing like the power of TikTok virality, but you're also getting YouTube search and browse feature. Like there's nothing I've ever seen like this, guys. I think this is an opportunity that won't be here for long. So I would take advantage and grow your YouTube channel while you can. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you found any value, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless, guys.